So, we have the finished product here, and it's not finished yet, but let me tell you what happened. So, this is basically, so the last video that we tried to make went terrible, and then we tried to continue on it, and then it just deleted. So I'm gonna tell you what we did. So we had the egg, we cracked it open, put it into the bowl where the meat should be, and then just put in your pepper. It doesn't matter what kind, and then some salt. And it needs to be a lot of pepper and a lot of salt. So now, then we had to mix it up around here. And then we just made it into patty. So now we're just gonna take it to the grill, and now we're just gonna take it to the grill, I guess, and just cook this. So I'm gonna hold the camera. Here we go. Oh darn, football bowl.
Sorry.
It's dark out here, everyone. I don't think you can really see. Yep, you can't really see. Oh, but there's a light out here. You can see where the grill is. There it is. There goes our burgers on
Can you see the grill?
it. Yeah. That looks like a great picture to put on some kind of website. That looks like a really good picture right there. That's just our neighbor's dog.
He's angry.
Yeah, they're angry.
Probably wants one of these sweet ass burgers.
Mm-hmm.
Ain't getting
Mm-hmm.
Put that on. And we go inside.
Alright.
And we'll be back.
We'll all be back. We'll end the video inside here. Grandma, you better move out of the way because we're recording. That was my grandma. So, see you on the next one. And see you later. Have a good day.